Hey everybody, welcome back. It is a gloomy morning in San Diego, but I wanted to take you with me to a couple of estate sales in the San Diego area. I'm currently at one in the Encinitas area, and it's right off this street back here called Neptune Avenue. It's really cool. It kind of looks like it's in Malibu, where it's got like really big, nice homes, and they're like right on the water. And there's this house right here on the corner, and it's definitely not one of like the big chic homes, and it's a fixer-upper for sure. But it looks really interesting, and it's mid-century, and I think today is their second or third day of their sale. So I'm hoping that stuff will be like 50 or 75% off. But yeah, let's go in and I'll check it out and hopefully we can find some fun things. This house was $2.3 million. It needs so much work, but it's, look, right on the ocean here, and you can't beat that, I guess. The realtor was willing to take, I think, 1.9. That's what they put on their website. And this would be such a fun fixer-upper property, but I'm just gonna have to keep that dream for another day. So for now, let's just check out the inside and see what they've got. That's cool. I was told today was 50% off, so $20 for a pot like this is really not too bad. Do you like it? Kind of fun. Look at these little espresso cups. What are these napkins? No logo, which is kind of cool. Yeah. It's like an ice pick. I like the frame. Ooh, these are kind of like these. These are pretty. This is like a good, for the espresso, you pull the shots into this instead of our glasses. This is so old school. Like this little grinder, a little mini grinder. I'm super bummed I missed the first day because I really think this person might have had a lot of really great pottery, but they had so many cool tchotchkes, lots of really great glassware, and tons of candle holders. It's pretty and different. There is glass ones, bronze ones, copper ones, and a lot of it was from the Depression era. And for someone who loves glassware, I actually haven't seen a lot of stuff like this before. I really love these little desk lamps here, and the white one is super vintage and cool. But I really wanted this one a lot more. However, I just didn't think the rust was salvageable. I'm also so curious where these frames are coming from because they're all throughout the house and I really like them. It's kind of pretty. Oh my God, do you hear that clock? Oh wow. I really like this frame. What is it that's different about the ones that I thrifted? They had more gold on them or something? I love this like bar setup. Like, look at this ceiling. It looks like it's been scraped that way, or is it wallpaper? It's definitely been scraped, but it's so interesting. So I got a few things. I got this little ashtray. I know I always pick up ashtrays, but I liked the color of this. I liked that it's a classic ashtray shape and it doesn't have like a casino or Vegas logo on it. I don't know. I was thinking of putting this in like the bathroom, and putting some matches in it or something because I have candles and incense in there for obvious reasons. And then I also got these like really pretty copper taper candle holders. And that's a lot to say in one mouthful. It says that they're from like the Copper Craft Guild in Taunton, Massachusetts. And I just thought they had like a really nice patina on them. They were $6 for both of them. And then it was 50% off. So these were $3. And the ashtray, I think she gave it to me for like 50 cents or something. And then the last thing I got was like this little bowl. I'll show you the lid first. It's just got this really nice engraving on it. And it kind of seems Hawaiian. I don't know. Oh, it's on the bottom. It says made in the Philippines. Stock 4161B. I don't know. This is really nice wood though. And I love having like little containers to put stuff in, like coasters or napkins or whatever it is. And I think that these engravings are just like really, really pretty. Seems like there's like a volcano and a hut and some palm trees and an animal. But yeah, I thought this was really nice. And this was $5, so $2.50. Really not that bad. But other than that, I'm going to head over to another estate sale, and it's a little bit more inland. I think it's like 20 minutes away from here, and it is a mid-century house as well. And this one looks like a little bit more like bougie, so I'm kind of excited to check it out. So let's go do that. This one's another really interesting, cool mid-century home. I don't think it was for sale, and it was a bit more inland and not so close to the beach, but I absolutely loved this open patio area in the very front of the house. And then the color of the home is just super cool to me with these wood accents. And then I really loved the shape of everything and the stained glass. It was just super retro with like the really great brick flooring and the brick fireplace right here. I just love this place to begin with. Kind of a cool light. This place had tons of really cool studio pottery and glassware, and there was just tons of stuff in general, in really great condition as well. There was also a lot of people, and they all seemed like loyal customers of the people who run this estate sale. So I'm definitely checking out their website because people seem to love their sales. Actually really like this chair, and I think it's really cool in mid-century, and I kind of like this plaid chair too, but all of their furniture was a little bit overpriced. However, look at these amazing windows. Like, ignore the decor here. This house is just so cool, and I would love to have a place like this. Truly, some of the people listening here was absolutely iconic. But anyways, I absolutely love that bar, and they had such a wide array of decor items here. A lot of it really wasn't my style, but it was really cool to see what other people are collecting and what other people are attracted to. And I thought this fireplace was really unique, and I like how it was flanked by the two stained glass windows. I really love just going to any estate sale, even if I'm not looking to purchase decor, because I'm just a curious person in general. And I guess I feel like I'm doing some market research, because when I get that opportunity to purchase a home, I really want to know exactly what it is that I'm looking for. again, this house is really great. I absolutely love this little courtyard area outside of the windows, and this garden was so extensive. I didn't even go up and down all the different trails here. It was just absolutely beautiful and so serene to be in here. Alrighty, so I just got back home from the second estate sale, and I want to show you what I picked up. I got just a couple things. First being this little piece of pottery. I love the shape of it. I think it's really, really interesting, and I haven't seen anything like this. Blue is like not a huge color in my space, but I don't mind kind of accenting it here and there. And it was $25, but it was 50% off. The next thing that I picked up is this. It's basically like a spoon rest, and they said it was made out of, I think, soapstone. I don't know if you can kind of see that. It was $2, by the way. I found it outside in their little patio area. And I think I could use this as like a spoon rest in the kitchen, or I don't know, like a trinket tray. I just kind of love it, and it's really heavy. They said it was from Brazil. The next thing that I picked up was this plate, and it's super heavy. It looks like it's definitely like an artist's studio pottery piece, because on the back there is a signature, and I don't know what that says. Looks like you could also like hang this on the wall like as a decorative piece, and I think that's so cool that they put that into the design. But I just think this is such a really pretty plate. It's so cool, and it totally matches the vibe here. And then I found this plate here, and this one is really interesting. I don't know about the color. It's also chrome, but it's really just so like unique. I haven't seen anything like this before. And on the bottom here, if I don't break it, it's got this really pretty foot, so it's almost kind of like a pedestal bowl. I don't know, I just thought this was a cool piece, and I might keep it or I might sell it if and when I start selling my vintage items, that I probably should, because I have too many of them. So I paid, I think, $4 for the ceramic plate, which is absolutely a crazy steal. Like, studio pottery is so expensive sometimes, so I was really stoked on that. And then the plate, I think they just valued like glass items more, so I paid like $11 because it was originally $22. So I think I spent under like $40 today in total, and that's a pretty good deal. You know, I don't need anything per se, except for like maybe some furniture items and some rugs. Like, having such a hard time finding rugs. Obviously, that's always like the hardest thing to find, I feel. And it doesn't hurt to purchase like a really cheap thing that inspires you. I'm always like stoked and happy to go to an estate sale and look at houses and stuff. So I'll definitely do this video again if you guys were interested. And if you did like it, give it a big thumbs up, please. Helps the channel out a lot. And subscribe if you haven't done that already. We passed 500 subscribers, which is like really exciting, and I'm super stoked about it. So other than that, thank you so much for spending your time with me today, and I will see you next week. Bye.